Good day, sir. I am the pharmacist. How can I help you? Good day, Mr. Pharmacist. I have a cold. Can you please help me to choose what kind of medicine should I take? Yes, of course, sir. I will be happy to help you. But first, I want to ask you some questions about your health condition. What do you feel right now? I feel my body is in pain, having headache, coughing, my heart soars and sneezing, and having stuffy nose. Okay, sir. Based on my evaluation and observation to your condition, this could be caused by common cold, and the best medicine for cold is paracetamol and ibuprofen. And when it comes to body pain, I will suggest that you take medicine that contains guaifenesin, phenylpropanolamine, hydrochloride, chloramphenemine maleate to get rid of syrup, sneezing, and stuffy nose that you are experiencing. That would be a great help. Thank you, Mr. Pharmacist. Good day, sir. I am the pharmacist. What can I do for you? Good day, Mr. Pharmacist. I am having a cough. Do you have a medicine for cough? Yes, sir. We have a lot of medicines for cough. But first, let me ask you a few questions. What do you feel right now? I feel frequent throat clearing and sore throat, hoarseness, shortness of breath, and runny nose, and coughing. Thank you for answering my question. And now, I know what kind of medicine should I provide. I will give you this medicine that contains dextromethorphan, hydrobromide, phenylpropanolamine, HCl, to get rid of that cough and runny nose. Thank you, Mr. Pharmacist. That would be a great relief. Good day, sir. I am the pharmacist. What can I do for you? Good day, Mr. Pharmacist. I am having a heartburn. Can you please give me a medicine for my heartburn? I see you are suffering from hyperacidity. In that case, I will give you a medicine called antacid, a drug that can neutralize the stomach acid. Normally, if you take this drug, you can experience its side effect like, for example, stomach cramps, flatulence, and constipation. But don't worry, it's manageable. In case of emergency, seek medical attention. That is very informative. Thank you for your help. Good day, sir. I am the pharmacist. How can I help you? Good day, Mr. Pharmacist. My friend asked me a favor to buy her a medicine for her type 2 diabetes, and I have her prescription with me. Okay, sir, thank you. That would be very helpful. But first, let me check the prescription. Based on her prescription, your friend is taking metformin for her diabetes. And now I am giving you the medicine according to her exact needs. Metformin can lower the blood glucose level and improve how body responds to insulin. It will be advisable to have a proper diet and exercise. In case of emergency, seek medical attention or consult your doctor. That would be a great help. Thank you, Mr. Pharmacist, for your advice. Good morning, sir. I am the pharmacist. What is your concern? Good morning, Mr. Pharmacist. My grandfather asked me a favor to buy a medicine for his high blood, and he gave me the doctor's prescription for his high blood. Thank you for that. Let me check that prescription first. I see. According to his prescription, it said that you should take amlodipine. I am giving you this medicine in accordance to his prescription. This type of medicine can help to lower high blood pressure. In case of an emergency, seek medical attention or consult your doctor. Thank you, sir. That would be very helpful. You're welcome, sir. We are happy to offer you our service.